Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have discussed about plane mirror, characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. We have discussed what are the characteristics. The first point is the image is always virtual. Virtual means the reflected ray appears to meet at a point. There are two types of image. One is virtual image, another one is what? Real image. Virtual image means the image formed after reflection and the reflected ray actually meets at a point. That is real image. Which one? If actually meets at a point, that is real image. If there appears to meet at a point, that is called what? Virtual image. Real image is always inverted, whereas virtual image is always either upright or erect. Erect or upright, same term only. So plane mirror. In plane mirror, the image form is what? Upright or erect, or it is virtual. The object distance. Today, so many numericals type questions I will give you. So this is a mirror. If you are standing here, your image will stand inside or not? Understood or not? So, what is your shape, what is your size, everything is equal to the image. And how much distance you are standing in front of the mirror, that much distance behind the mirror image will be there. Understood? If you will move 1 meter towards the mirror, then the image also moves towards the mirror 1 meter. If you will move away from the mirror 1 meter, then also the image will move away from the mirror 1 meter. Now your homework is what you know? One mirror is there. This is the what? Polished surface, and this is a reflecting surface. That is opaque body, yes or no? So your homework you will give in comment box of this YouTube, what is this video. If a man is standing 6 meters away from the mirror, if a man is standing 6 meters in front of the mirror, away from the mirror, then what will be the image distance? First question will be the what? First question is what is the image distance? Okay. Second, if the same person is moving 2 meters towards the mirror, what will be the new image distance? What will be the new image distance? Okay. If the person is what? Moving 2 meters towards the mirror, now what will be the new image distance? Next one. If the person is moving 3 meters away from the initial positions, if the object of the person is moving what? Away from the what? Mirror, and that is 2 meters from the initial position. Now at last what will be the image distance? Final image distance. Okay. So 3 questions. First is your homework message. Okay. First is the person is standing in front of the mirror. That is how much? 6 meters. What will be the object distance? What will be the what? What will be the image distance? First case. Second, if that same person is moving 2 meters towards the mirror, then now what will be the image distance? If the same person is moving 3 meters away from the what? Mirror, from the what? Which position? Initial position. Then now what will be the image distance? This question's answer you will give in what? Comment box. lateral inversion. What? Lateral inversion already I told in previous class. If a person is standing in front of the mirror and raising the left hand, which hand? Raising left hand, then the image will raise which hand? Right hand. If you will raise which one? Right hand, the image will raise the left hand and vice versa. This interchange of the left and right of the object or the image of the object, that is called what? Lateral inversion. And you know that in ambulance always it is written what? Laterally inverted, so that the person who is riding or driving in front of the ambulance can read the letter of ambulance invertedly or what? Laterally inverted, and give a pass to the what? Ambulance first. Clear? Next one, color. You know that sunlight is traveling from a large distance, million kilometers is there. From there, million meters it is. You know that it is traveling with a speed of what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Means in 1 second it travels 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In 1 second it will travel what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter or 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer. When it is traveling from a large distance and we are getting the sun rays morning, then what happened? We are feeling that is what? Combination of color. From which what experiment we can find there is different colors is there in white light? One prism is there. What? Prism is what? A pipe. It is bounded by pipe plane surface with a triangular cross section. When white light is traveling through the prism, when white light is what? Traveling through the prism, it splits into 7 colors. How many colors? 7 constituents color. And the name of the 7 color is what? VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, and R means what? Red. So white light is a combination of 7 colors. That is VIBGYOR. Clear or not? Normally the white light which is coming from the tube light or sun rays, that is a combination of color, and that is it contains how many color? 7 constituents color. How many color? 7 constituents color. Understood or not? So white light is the combination of 7 color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. VIBGYOR. Already you have seen on sky rainbow, and rainbow also it is a mixture of what? 7 color. You know that 7 color you are getting? Yes or no? It means white light is the mixture of 7 colors. Now what are primary colors and what are secondary colors? What? Primary colors and what? Secondary colors. First, primary colors. Primary colors. Primary colors means what? The colors on mixing with equal proportion, we will get different colors. And if we will mix all the primary colors, what you will get? You will get white colors. And what are the primary colors? The primary colors are B, Z, R. Balangir also we are writing, no? BLGR we are writing, but Balangir what? BZR also you can write, and according to that only BZR is what? Primary colors, that is blue, green and red. Blue, green and red are called primary color. When blue plus green plus red you will do know, then what you will get? Which color of light you will get? White color. So that the definition of primary colors are the colors of light on mixing we will get what? White color, that is called primary colors. Clear? Another one, secondary color is what? What is secondary color? Secondary color means on mixing any two primary colors we are getting different colors. That is called secondary colors. On mixing two primary colors we are getting a what? Secondary color, that is called what? Either blue or green or red or blue or red. When you will mix, no, you will get different colors. That colors are what? Secondary colors. And the example of secondary colors is what? Cyan, magenta and yellow. Yellow is also secondary color. What? Cyan, magenta and what? Yellow is what? Our secondary colors. These three are primary colors and these three are what? Secondary colors. Secondary what? Colors. Clear or not? Next one. When you are mixing blue, red and green, you are getting white color. Whereas cyan is the mixture of blue and green. Blue and green, when you will mix, you will get cyan. Means B plus G, you will get cyan. B plus G, you will get cyan. G plus R means green plus red, you will get yellow. Green plus red, you will get what? Yellow. Again, blue plus red, you will get what? Magenta. Blue plus red, you will get magenta. So secondary colors are cyan, magenta and yellow, whereas primary colors are blue, green and red. Blue, green and red is what? Primary colors. On mixing them you will get white light, whereas cyan, magenta and yellow is secondary colors. Cyan is the mixture of blue and green. Magenta is the mixture of blue and red. And yellow is the mixture of green and red. In your home you can do experiment with equal proportion. Take equal amount of what? Color and mix them. Red and blue mix, red and green mix, green and what? Our blue also you can mix. So different colors you will get. That is the secondary colors. Clear? Now color of an object. When an object, suppose you are having a red rose. When you will see the red rose, it becomes red. It appears red. Why it appears red? A green leaves appears green. Why it appears green? A piece of pepper, white pepper, it appears white. Why it appears white? Our hair becomes what? It appears black. No, why it appears black? Everything we will discuss. Clear? First one, rose. Rose appears red color. Why rose appears red color? Why rose appears what? Red color. Different color of rose is there, no problem. I am telling about red color of rose. Red color of rose. Suppose sunlight falls on red rose. Sunlight falls on what? Red rose. Then it appears what? Red color. It appears red color or not? Suppose this is what? Red rose is there. What? Red. Okay, no problem anyway. Red rose is there, okay? When sunlight falls on red rose, it appears what? Red color, because sunlight contains seventh color or three primary colors, let's see. Three primary colors. But only the red color of light is reflecting to our eye. Only the red color of light is what? Reflecting to our eye, so that it appears what? Red color. All other color like our blue and green are absorbed by it. I told you before, some light is reflected, some part of light is absorbed, and some part of light is refracted. Refraction is there. In 8th class you will read, that is in 8th class refraction is there. In this case, the red color of light only reflected back to the eye, so that it is visible what? Red. Clear? Now, all other color like our blue, green, everything is what? Absorbed by the red rose. So question will come, why rose appears red? You will write, only the red color of sunlight is reflected back to the eye, and all other color of light is absorbed by it. Now leaves, these leaves, sunlight also falling on leaves, you know that. Sunlight also falling on what? Leaves. And you are looking from here. This appears also green color. Why? Because green color of light only reflected back. Only green color of light is what? Reflected back. All other color of light is what? Absorbed by it. So question will come, why leaves appears what? Green. You will write, only green color of light is reflected back. Only green color of light is reflected back from the leaves. All other color is absorbed by it. Now white paper, what appears white? Because all other colors, every color of light is reflected. If everything is reflected back, then it becomes what? White color. Now our hair is black color. Why? Because no color of light is reflected from black body, so that it appears what? Black. If every color of light is reflecting, that is white color. If no color of light is reflecting, that is what? Black color of light. Understood or not? Now another homework, and kindly do homework, and you should give comment on this YouTube. What video? Clear or not? So that I will able to know how much you have interest. Question is there, why coal means, you know, coal becomes black or it appears black? You will write in comment box. Second question. Why sun appears red color during morning and or at evening? Why sun appears red color during morning or at evening? Today this much. You have to give the answer before 3 questions homework I have given, and these 2 questions, everything you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you should comment on my YouTube video. Okay? Generate interest so that you will become or you will achieve your goal. Thank you.